Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear left burner cap on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's lost or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So the reason why you need an actual burner cap on here is I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm not going to leave it on too long, but you see right there, it's not igniting. And even if it did ignite, the flame would go straight up and just cook one spot on your pan, and it wouldn't cook evenly like when the burner's on. So it's got a nice big flame right there. So this here is going to be our rear left burner cap. So to get to this burner cap here, we'll take off the grate and put it off to the side, and we'll take off our old burner cap. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement burner cap. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So all you have to do, put the new burner cap right on top, and it fits perfectly, it's not going anywhere. Put the grate back on top, and you're ready to cook again. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.